Peace be upon you, friends. I am your brother Riaz Shaheen, and today we are present in the beautiful area of Swat Matta. The place is very famous for its scenic beauty, lush mountains and simple village life. In today's video, we will introduce you to the beautiful scenery, local life and food. So definitely watch the video till the end, because today we are going to show you the real beauty of Matta Swat. The Key Valley is famous worldwide for its natural beauty, and a fascinating part of this beautiful valley is the Matta Bazaar. This market has simple but heart-stirring beauty, natural environment, the lush mountains, clear blue sky and cool air around Matta Bazaar create a calm atmosphere. A light mist and birds chirping in the morning makes this place even more beautiful. Local culture and traditions. This market is not only a place of shopping, but the original culture of Swat can be seen here. Traditional Pashtun clothes, local hats, warm shawls and handmade items attract tourists. Delicious food, the smell of chili kebab, tokka, and fresh naan at the local hotels in Matta Bazaar attracts every visitor. Simple but delicious food is a special characteristic of this market. People's hospitality, the people here are extremely polite and hospitable. Tourists from outside are welcomed with respect and love, which adds to the beauty of this place. If you are showing a flea market in your vlog, you must include this sentence: "This is cute."